Hi guys and welcome. In this video I will provide you with a step-by-step tutorial of how to build your own landing page, and it doesn't matter which type of landing page you need and which type of business do you have. So this platform that I wanted to show you today is absolutely convenient and very powerful to build everything that you can imagine. That's why we want to share this platform with you, and our team left the link in the description panel of this video so you can easily get access to this platform with a big discount from our team. So don't miss this opportunity, and I'll try to make this video as short as possible with the maximum value for you, not to waste your time. Just let's jump to business. We're on the dashboard of this platform, and you need to press the create landing page, create new one, and you will see tons of different templates that can be used for build anything that you actually want, for any type of your page, for any industry that you may have, with any style, and even with any color. So the editing features is pretty similar to any type of pages. That's why I'm just gonna grab any of them to show you how it works, and in the end of this video you will get an idea of how to make it by yourself. First you need to give your page a name, and after you jump into the editor. So what do we have here? We have couple buttons, and first of all I will provide you with all of them. Undo, redo, preview. All the websites that you can build on this platform are absolutely mobile friendly, so that means you don't need to edit the mobile version separately from it. You have layout, sections, widget styles, and settings. Actually everything, any landing page built with couple things, with couple elements. Those are text, images, videos, and interactive elements like buttons and forms. And that's pretty it. But how to manage all this, that's what I want to show you. Let's press layout, and you see the sections that your page contains. Let's say hero and footer. Hero is this one page, this one, and footer is on the bottom. You can add a section straight from here, and there are pre-built sections already for literally any purpose. It's about, call to action, and you can choose them, or you can just grab and drop them to any place that you want. Just to show you how it is easy to use this interesting and very powerful platform. Okay, we see that the footer is not on the spot. We're going to layout, and we can, here in this layout, we see all the sections. We can grab the footer and replace it to some space where you need it to be. Call to action need to be under about page, or even under the logos. So you see, we build like in couple seconds we build the layout that we wanted, but actually it's just to show you how it is easy to manage things. I'm gonna delete all this, and I'm gonna add blank section to show you the things and how to act with them. You see this parallax effect. The picture of this house is on the background and it not moves when you're scrolling the page itself. So how to make that happen? You go into styles, and here you can change the font styles for entire page. If you have like 5 or 6 blocks, 5 or 6 sections, and in each section you have the headings and you have the text blocks with a small text, you can change this all from straight from here for entire page, and this is very handy. And the color, of course, itself. We don't actually have the countdown, so I will not show it to you. and you see the page background here, and that's a picture that we have. So we can apply background for section itself or for entire page. I'm gonna change this image to other one. You can actually use the pictures that you uploaded already for your previous projects. You can buy images from the stock, and it's about $8 per picture. It can be handy if you don't have your own content pre-built, if you just starting your business and you don't have pictures and videos. You can buy them here, or you can upload it straight from your computer, and that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna use this picture for example, and I like this picture, and you see this parallax effect. The picture is still there, and this container is pretty good with this black background, but maybe I want this section to be wider. Let's go to layout, and this hero section, when you press the small arrow button, you see the column 1 and column 2. You can add a row if you need to add something extra to this layout, but you can delete this block here, and you see it's in the center right now. Interesting feature, when you jump into section style, let's go to styles and change this image a little bit. I want to apply a filter. I want to apply image color overlay, and I'm pressing this button here, and I can add literally any color that I want and change the opacity, and you see the changes are pretty there. Okay, this is cool shape, and that looks fantastic. I'm gonna delete all these blocks that I don't need, all these sections straight here, and just to show you how easy it is to edit things, we jump into layout one more time, and I'm gonna reshape. The footer should be in the end of the picture. For example, you have here the space for drop some elements, and you jump into widgets, and those are the elements that you can add to any spot in your layout, in your the picture, in your page. Actually, I want the video and I want the image and text, and that's pretty cool, isn't it? It's fast and easy, and you should think about it when you're gonna build your own page, because it's really easy and fast. You see this block size is big and this block size is small. You jump into edit section settings, and you can change these things like that. Actually, we don't need such big block, but this block can be actually bigger. No, not this one, but this one. Yeah, you see, for example, this picture will be, let's apply some picture here just to show you, yeah, but I want the video to be bigger, and you see this line, you grab this line and you move it around. Here you go. That's pretty simple. Or you can delete this block. You can go to the settings of this section. You see the row 1 and column 2. You can delete it, and your video is reshaped to the bigger size. You're getting an idea of how to build it, yeah? So in the footer here, you need to give some information about your location, about your addresses. Maybe you need to add some social media things here to this spot, and that's pretty simple. That's pretty cool. You can add all this in this list: icons, buttons, orientation, vertical or horizontal. All the things actually happening with this pencil button. You can move it around, you can duplicate it, or you could delete it, and that's pretty fantastic that you can make all that happen. Don't you think so? But the most important part that I didn't tell you yet, the buttons and the forms. You need to edit the click event, and you have the list of options. In most cases, the pop-up is used, so you can edit the pop-up. All the styles you can change here with the edit style, edit section settings. But the most important thing is edit integrations. This is the form and how you will get notification about the new lead. You can get it in your inbox, or you can add an integration to external email marketing services that you can integrate with your web page. Look at that list: MailChimp, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, GetResponse. If you don't know all of those, you definitely need to find out more information about these services, because they are very powerful to grow your business, to build your email list, and to work with that list, and to automate that process. Or you can use Zapier to magically connect your web page with all these features that you have here. But it's pretty enough. If you don't have much leads, it's pretty enough to get information to your inbox of your Gmail, for example. Second button is the fields: email, street address. We don't need the street address, we can delete it. We can add a field like the first name, for example. We can move it to be first in the list, and that's it. And what's gonna happen when somebody will press the button actually with all this information done? You can choose remain on page, external URL, landing page, and default lead pages, thank you page. Everybody loves when somebody says thank you, yeah? And you should keep it in mind when you're gonna choose this all. So that's pretty it. I showed you how to manage things. I showed you how to get things done. And you see there's background, there's a black line, there's a background more, and black line with a footer. That looks pretty enough for me. Maybe for you and your business it's not enough, and you want to add some information. If you have tons of information, of course you can do that. But remember that main purpose of any landing page is to bring value for free in exchange for contact information from your visitors, and those visitors jump into your email list when they press in the button and give you the email number, email address, and number of phone, or their first name, or the address, or information that you need. I hope this all makes sense for you, and this is useful information. I tried to make this tutorial video as short as possible, and I want to bring you more value. So that's why our team left the link in the description of this video, so you can easily get access to this Lead Pages platform with a big discount, and you can save money while you're gonna build your own landing page on this platform. So that's pretty it. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Hope you enjoyed and hope this was useful. So see you in the next video, and bye bye.